good evening. Today my teammates and I would like to present to you about our embedded system applications mini project, which is the remote control floating algae filter boat. Pollution of surface water has become one of the most important environmental problems. Two types of large and long-lasting pollution threats can be recognized at the global level. On the one hand, organic pollution leading to high organic content in aquatic ecosystems in the long term to eutrophication. It is a well-known fact that polluted water can reduce water quality, thus restricting use of water bodies for many purposes. Organic pollution occurs when large quantities of organic compounds from many sources are released into the receiving running waters, lakes, and also seas. Organic pollutants originate from domestic sewage, raw or treated, or urban runoff, industrial effluents, and farm water. Organic pollution could negatively affect the water quality in many ways. Organic effluents also frequently contain large quantities of suspended solid which reduce the light available to photosynthetic organisms, mainly algae.
Next will be the algae and water pollution. As you all know, algae are the main primary producer in all kinds of water bodies, and they are involved in water pollutants in a number of significant ways. Firstly, enrichment of the algae nutrients in water through organic effluents may selectively stimulate the growth of algae species, producing massive surface growth or blooms that in turn reduce the water quality and affect its use. However, certain algae flourish in water polluted with organic waste, play an important role in self-purification of water bodies. Some pollution algae may frequently are toxic to fish and also mankind and animals using polluted water.
Introduction is on the RC floating algae filter boat. This boat is controlled by the remote control. It's powered by two microcontrollers. One microcontroller is the PIC18F4550. This microcontroller controls the motor of the boat, and the other microcontroller is the PIC16F887A. This microcontroller controls the servo of the boat. This boat filters the algae on water surfaces such as ponds, lakes, and rivers, which will keep all of them clean.
The problem statement. Do you all know what are the effects of harmful algae blooms? Let me explain to you. Harmful algae blooms are overgrowth of algae in water. Some produce dangerous toxin in fresh or marine water, but even non-toxin blooms hurt the environmental and local economics. Harmful algae blooms can produce extremely dangerous toxin that can be sickened or kill people and animals, create dead zone in the water, raise treatment, cost for drinking water, and hurt industries that depend on clean water. Harmful algae blooms need sunlight, slow moving water, and nutrients, mainly like nitrogen and phosphorus. Nutrient pollution from human activities make the problem worse, leading to more severe blooms that can occur more often.
The suggested solution is developing a machine to reduce algae overgrowth on the surface of water, which can monitor the amount of algae growth and filtering the algae using our machine.
Block diagram, you can see that every component here is controlled by the PIC family, which is PIC 18F4550 and 16F877A. The input of the IC is switch and radio remote control, whereas the output will be to the primary motor, which controls the direction of backward and forward of the boat, and also the secondary motor, which controls the blade that collects the algae. All of this component is powered by 12 volt voltage source. Diagram. When we power on the boat, it will go to the radio remote control, which will send information to the main motor, which then will control the direction of the motor to move the boat either forward or backward. Whereas at the same time, the information will go to the filter motor, which will send information to collect the algae, and then it will loop again to the radio remote control.
Proto schematic of our boat. This schematic has two PIC. One is the 18F4550 and 18F877A. The 4550 controls two motor, which is being controlled by the motor driver, which is the L293D, and the PIC1F877A controls the motor servo. And this is the receiver schematic circuit. It's the same as the transmitter circuit. This ASK receiver plays as the role as the antenna, and this is the DHT12D is the microcontroller. At this part of the circuit, they have two motors and it's connected to the L293 circuit for the transmitter. This part of the ASK transmitter plays as the role of antenna, and this is the HT12E microcontroller.
Project with two reference programs which are coding for the motor to navigate the boat backward and forward, and coding for servo motor to navigate the boat in the direction of 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree. Our servo coding. In our servo coding, we use the PIC P16F877A. We define X tau frequency 8 megasecond, and this is the header. The configuration goes until here. Before, servo motor's function is to control the direction of the boat to 0 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree. This is the coding for servo rotate 0 degree. This is for 90 degree and that is for 180 degree. Void main is the coding for the whole function, and we can see that TRISB is as the output port, and to control 0 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree rotation. This is our motor coding for PIC 18F4550, and this is the header. So at here, frequency oscillator is defined as HS and PBADEN is defined as off. Void delay MS is a function to create delay in PIC, and void main is the main function in PIC. TRISD is as the output, while let D is the movement in the motor. Okay, as you can see in the for loop, it shows that once the motor moves for more than 50 times, it will keep on looping until infinity.
Next will be our model of development device. This is our top view of our boat. Okay, in a normal boat, there is a sitting place and a steering place, while in our boat, there is no sitting place and steering place. Okay, in our boat, there is only place to store algae, and at the bottom of it, there is a primary motor which controls the movement of the boat backwards and forward, while the secondary motor will control the movement of blade which collects all the algae, and this is our shape of a blade. The blade is curved because it will be easy for it to collect all the blades. This is the side view of our boat. In this side view, there is a PIC at this side of our boat. Then this is the primary motor and this is the secondary motor which control the movement of the blade, and this also control the movement of the boat which go forwards and backwards.
So as for the conclusion, the water flows from lands into aquatic environment contribute enormous amount of organic matters and plants, nutrients to the aquatic system, which give rise to eutrophication and pollution. We hope that using our machine, the population of algae on the surface of water can be controlled and reduced. Thus, we can guarantee a healthier aquatic ecosystem.
That's all from us. Thank you.